What is the nervous system? We want to know what are the types in the nervous system. And also, we want to know the function of the nervous system. I will answer you, so follow this video. Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. My name is Ali Arandas. Hello my science channel. Today we will talk about the nervous system. But the first thing that I want from you is to make like for my channel, subscribe also, and that's all about. Let's go. The first thing that we want to know is what is the definition of the nervous system, or what is the nervous system? I will start for you. Your nervous system is your body's command center, originating from your brain. The nervous system is originating or going from your brain, or the main part in the nervous system is your brain. It controls all movements, thoughts, and automatic responses to the world around you. It also controls other body systems as processes such as digestion, breathing, and sexual development. The nervous system also transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body, including internal organs. In this way, the nervous system activity controls the ability to move, to breathe, see, think, and more about that. The basic unit of the nervous system is nerve cell or neuron. The nerve cell or the neuron we'll talk about in the next video, that it is relating also to the nervous system. This is part 1 of the nervous system. In the second video we'll talk about that part 2 of the nervous system, which is the nerve cell or neuron. That was the definition. And like a summary of the definition, the definition of the nervous system is just that the nervous system, or the main part in the nervous system, is your brain. Your brain or the nervous system controls all of your movements and all of your responses to the world around you. And also the nervous system can function or can control other body system, like the digestion, which related to the digestive system that we talked about it, like the breathing, that it's related to the respiratory system, that we will talk about it in our videos and our channel. But if you make subscribe and like for my videos, and also to the sexual development, which is the puberty. In this way, the nervous system can control ability to move and also to breathe and to see, to think, and more about that. And the basic unit of it is the nerve cell or neuron. The nerve cell or neuron, we'll talk about it in the second part that it's relating to our lesson, which is the nervous system. Now, the second thing that we want to know is the types. We all know that in the nervous system we have two types, which they are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. We can say about the nervous system C and S, and about the peripheral system is P and S. The central nervous system, what's contained? The central nervous system contains the brain and the spinal cord. And according to brain and spinal cord, what is the protecting of them? The brain is protecting, it is protected through the skull, and the spinal cord is protected through the spinal, or through, we can say about that, the vertebral column. And the nerves, our lesson about the nervous system. And the nerves, they are the travel of messages that go to the central nervous system. For example, if I put my hand on a heat thing, What will happen? The nerves will send a message to the brain, and the brain will quickly resend a message to remove our hand from this thing, because it's a harming thing to our body. So that how we ask ourselves, or you will ask me in the comments, how these nerves will send a message to the brain, how this message will across to the brain. This message will across through the spinal cord. The spinal cord in the central nervous system can connect between the nerves in our hands or in our legs. Actually, in our hands, it can connect in the nerves of our hands, between the nerves of our hands and the brain. So about that, nerves can transfer messages from the nerve of our hand to our brain, and then the brain will return this message to tell us that to remove our hand from this thing, because it is a harming thing for our body. The nerves will transfer a message from nerves. These nerves are going to the CNS, or what we can call it the central nervous system, then to the brain. How these messages go from the hand or from the nerve of the hand to the brain? Look at this message look at this photo, and I will transfer it for you. Here in this message we have the steps or the path of this message that will go from the nerve of the hand till the brain, to send a message from the brain to let the nerve of the hand to move from this heat thing, because it's harming. This message will improve you, and I will transfer it for you. Here we have the receptor is the skin. Is the thing, what is the receptor? Is the thing that, or it's the organ, in scientific way, is the organ that is recept, that we put it. Which is the recept? Is the skin of the hand. This, when we put our hand on a heat thing, this message will go in the nerves from the sensory nerve. The sensory nerve will transform this message to the central nervous system, which is the spinal cord, because this message is going from our hand, so it will go for our spinal cord. Then the motor nerve will take this message to the brain, then the brain will return or will resend a message to the nerve of the hand, approving us to remove our hand from this harming thing. That was our session for today. I hope that you have a great day, and I hope that you take notes and get information and entertain from this video. See you on another video, and in another video, or in our second video, will be about the nerve cell or the neuron, about the part 2 of the nervous system. See you in another video. Don't forget to like for my videos, subscribe for my channel. Thank you and goodbye.